You're doing great. Oh, so strong. So strong. Hey, Levi. I don't want to dig into your eyes. Huh. You can do it. Good job, buddy. You taking a break? Taking a break? It's wearing you out, huh?
I think it's about it for him, isn't it? Levi!
Hey, Levi.
Levi!
Oh, look at his legs go. You're so strong. You're doing great, big guy.